Welcome back to Learn Psychology. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of psychology to explore the major schools of thought that have shaped our understanding of the human mind and behavior. Whether you're a psychology student, a curious learner, or just interested in how we think and feel, this video is for you. Let's get started. Our journey begins with structuralism. Founded by Wilhelm Wundt and later developed by Edward Titchener, structuralism aimed to break down mental processes into their most basic components. This approach focused on introspection, where subjects would report their thoughts and feelings in response to stimuli. Although structuralism is less prominent today, it laid the groundwork for experimental psychology. Next up is functionalism, a reaction against structuralism. Influenced by William James and inspired by Charles Darwin's theory of evolution, functionalism focused on the purpose of consciousness and behavior. Instead of dissecting mental processes, functionalism explored how mental activities helped an organism adapt to its environment. This perspective gave rise to applied psychology, emphasizing practical applications. Moving on, we have psychoanalysis, founded by Sigmund Freud. This school of thought emphasizes the role of unconscious processes and early childhood experiences in shaping behavior and personality. Freud's concepts of the I, ego, and superego, as well as defense mechanisms, have profoundly influenced both psychology and popular culture. Next is behaviorism, which emerged in the early 20th century with pioneers like John B. Watson and B.F. Skinner. Behaviorists focus on observable behaviors rather than internal mental states. They argue that all behavior is learned through interaction with the environment, using principles of conditioning. Behaviorism has had a significant impact on education and therapeutic techniques. Humanistic psychology, developed by Carl Rogers and Abraham Maslow, offers a more optimistic view of human nature. This perspective emphasizes personal growth, self-actualization, and the inherent goodness in people. Unlike earlier approaches that focused on pathology, humanistic psychology highlights individual potential and the quest for meaning. Cognitive psychology, emerging in the mid-20th century, focuses on mental processes such as perception, memory, and problem-solving. Influenced by advancements in computer science, cognitive psychologists study how people process information and how this influences behavior. This approach has led to numerous practical applications, from educational techniques to artificial intelligence. Finally, evolutionary psychology examines how evolutionary principles like natural selection shape psychological traits. Researchers in this field, such as Leda Cosmides and John Tooby, investigate how certain behaviors may have evolved to solve problems related to survival and reproduction. This perspective provides a broad biological context for understanding behavior. And there you have it, a brief overview of the major schools of thought in psychology. Each perspective offers unique insights and has contributed to our comprehensive understanding of the human mind. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Learn Psychology.